Now we can see the given vector A can also be resolved along the rectangular coordinate axis, say x-axis, y-axis. The vector A lie on the xy plane. Suppose that in order to resolve a vector along the coordinate axis x and y, we consider unit vector along x-axis and y-axis. These unit vectors are denoted by I cap and j cap. Their magnitudes are unity and they have no dimension and no unit. They are just unit vector of unit magnitude. So first of all, we may draw the axis, coordinate axis. Suppose this along x-axis and this y-axis. O is the origin and the given vector lie on this xy plane. Say OP is the given vector A. Now we have to resolve this vector into two components which are parallel to the axis. Along x-axis we take unit vector denoted by I cap, and along y-axis we take another unit vector which is perpendicular to I cap. It is along y-axis. I cap magnitude is 1. The magnitude of j cap is also 1. They have no unit, no dimension. They are perpendicular to each other. Now draw the normal on the x-axis from point P. Say it meets on x-axis at n. Then ON, draw this vector ON. It would be, suppose ON vector is equal to A1 vector. Similarly, you draw the perpendicular from P on y-axis PM. Then this OM vector is suppose that A2. OM is equal to A2. Now this A1 vector can be written in terms of I cap. I cap is unit vector. Suppose the magnitude of this ON is AX. Then this vector A1 can be written as AX I cap, and A2 can be written as, suppose, AY into j cap. AY is magnitude of OM. Now see here this vector OP and this vector ON. Now this side NP is parallel to OM. That's why the vector drawn from N to P will be equal to OM. NP will be equal to OM, and hence it is equal to AY j cap. Now use triangle law of addition of vector. Using triangle law of addition of vectors, we will write here OP is equal to ON vector plus NP vector. ON vector, which is A vector, it is equal to A1 vector plus A2 vector. It means A equal to AX I cap plus AY j cap. AX and AY may be any real number. AX and AY are real numbers. They are numbers only When this number multiplied with unit vector, it will be vector. This is called x component and this called y component. If this vector, a vector, is resolved into two, one component this x component, this another is y component. So this is the resolution of the given vector along rectangular axis.